Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use PC Builder's AI tools. So you can go to the pcbuilderai.com. You can search on your browser. And I made this video for who want to build your own PC and confused and you want to try something different and ask for help from AI. So there is a way. This is a PC builder AI. Get the most bang for your buck. So how many dollars you want to spend? For example, you want to build a cheap PC, a value for money PC. So I'll spend about $400. What type do you want? Gaming, of course, and get my PC here. So get the most bang for your buck. Building your PC right now. You have to wait. The AI is generated. So this is your gaming PC with 400 US dollar. This PC setup uses the Ryzen 3 or 3, the Ryzen 3 3200G. So this is like a third gen of Ryzen with integrated Vega graphics. So like APU, a built-in graphic here, and cost-effective solution. So this is the component. The CPU is AMD Ryzen 4-star motherboard, ASRock B4 with the chipset B450MHDV. You can try to downgrade with a 320. I recommend you. RAM 8 GB, not bad. If you have spare money, you can upgrade it to 16 GB. Storage, Western DigiBlue. Maybe you want to go with SSD. It's not for bad. PSU. I think 500 watt is great investment. Maybe you want to upgrade or you want to buy in a discrete graphic card. Thermaltake Smart 500 watt is enough. Case is it's based on your preference. It's up to you. Cooler, stock cooler is enough. So in total it's 400 US dollar here. So you can start over if you think this a gaming PC do not satisfy you. Feel free to try build your PC with PC Builder AI. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.